Bring nature into your home. Creative garden decor ideas. What are some creative ideas for garden decor? Hanging planters and flower baskets. Garden sculptures and statues. Wind chimes and bird feeders. Garden benches and chairs. Mason jar lanterns. Solar lights and string lights. Pebbles, stones, and rocks. Garden fountains and water features. Garden mirrors and gazing balls. Garden trellises and arbors. Hanging planters. Garden sculptures. Wind chimes. Bird feeders. Garden benches. What are some unique ways to add color to a garden? Plant a variety of colorful flowers such as daisies, petunias, and marigolds. Hang wind chimes or other decorations in bright colors. Use colorful garden stakes or flags. Paint the fence or other structures in the garden. Add a bird bath or other water feature with colorful stones or tiles. Plant colorful vegetables such as tomatoes, peppers, and squash. Place colorful garden ornaments or sculptures. Hang colorful lanterns or string lights. Plant a variety of foliage with different shades of green. Use colorful mulch or gravel. Incorporate colorful stones and pebbles into your garden design. Plant a rainbow of vegetables, such as red tomatoes, yellow squash, and purple eggplant. Plant a variety of colorful shrubs, such as azaleas, hydrangeas, and rhododendrons. Add a colorful water feature, such as a fountain or pond. Hang colorful lanterns or string lights in your garden. Paint a garden shed or fence in a bright color. Add colorful outdoor furniture, such as chairs, benches, and tables. What are some tips for creating a relaxing outdoor space? Choose comfortable seating. Invest in comfortable chairs, cushions, and pillows to create a cozy atmosphere. Incorporate nature. Add plants and flowers to your outdoor space to create a natural and calming atmosphere. Add a water feature. The sound of running water can be very relaxing. Consider adding a fountain or pond to your outdoor space. Include a fire feature. A fire pit or fireplace can provide warmth and a cozy atmosphere. Include ambient lighting. Soft lighting can create a relaxing atmosphere in your outdoor space. Add a hammock. A hammock is a great way to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Incorporate a cozy rug. Adding a cozy rug to your outdoor space can help make it feel more inviting. Create a cozy corner. Add a few chairs and a small table to create a cozy corner for relaxing. Add a swing. A swing is a great way to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Incorporate soft colors. Soft colors can help create a calming atmosphere in your outdoor space. What are some creative ideas for garden decor? Repurposed items. Use old furniture, ladders, or other items to create unique garden decorations. Wind chimes. Hang wind chimes from trees or other structures to add a musical element to your garden. Birdhouses. Hang birdhouses from trees or other structures to attract birds to your garden. Garden art. Hang metal sculptures, painted rocks, or other art pieces to add a unique touch to your garden. Potted plants. Place potted plants around your garden to add color and texture. Garden lights. Hang string lights or solar-powered lights around your garden to create a magical atmosphere. Garden signs. Hang signs with inspirational quotes or funny sayings to add a bit of personality to your garden. Water features. Add a small fountain or pond to your garden to create a tranquil atmosphere. What are some tips for creating a relaxing outdoor space? Choose comfortable seating. Invest in quality outdoor furniture that is comfortable and inviting. Look for pieces that are weather resistant and easy to maintain. Add some greenery. Incorporate plants, trees, and shrubs into your outdoor space to create a tranquil atmosphere. Incorporate water features. The sound of running water can be very calming and relaxing. Consider adding a fountain, pond, or waterfall to your outdoor space. Incorporate lighting. Soft lighting can create a relaxing atmosphere in your outdoor space. Consider adding string lights, lanterns, or candles. Add some cozy touches. Add some cozy touches like blankets, pillows, and throws to make your outdoor space more inviting. Incorporate sound. Incorporate sound into your outdoor space with wind chimes, a small stereo, or a bird feeder. Create a focal point. Create a focal point in your outdoor space with a fire pit, a sculpture, or a piece of art. Add some color. Incorporate bright colors into your outdoor space with flowers, plants, and outdoor accessories. In conclusion, creating an original and unique garden decor can be a fun and creative way to add a personal touch to your outdoor space. With a little bit of imagination and some research, you can find a variety of ideas to make your garden look and feel like your own. Whether you choose to go with a traditional or modern look, the possibilities are endless when it comes to creating a garden that is uniquely yours. Creative garden decor ideas. Plant a living wall. A living wall is a great way to bring the outdoors into your garden. You can use a variety of plants to create a stunning vertical garden. Hang a chandelier. Add a bit of sparkle to your garden with a hanging chandelier. It can be a fun and unexpected way to bring a bit of glamour to your outdoor space. Add a fire pit. A fire pit is a great way to add warmth and ambience to your garden. There are many different styles and sizes to choose from, so you can find one that fits your space and style. Add a water feature. A water feature can be a beautiful and calming addition to your garden. You can choose from a variety of styles, such as a fountain, pond, or waterfall. Create a fairy garden. If you have kids, a fairy garden is a great way to get them involved in the garden. You can use miniature plants, stones, and other decorations to create a magical space. Hang string lights. String lights are a great way to add a bit of ambience to your garden. They can be hung from trees, bushes, or other structures to create a cozy atmosphere. Add a trellis. A trellis is a great way to bring a bit of height and structure to your garden. You can use it to grow vines and other plants, or just as a decorative element. Add a hammock. A hammock is a great way to relax and enjoy the outdoors. You can hang it between two trees or other structures to create a cozy spot to sit and enjoy your garden. Add a birdhouse. Birdhouses are a great way to attract birds to your garden. You can choose from a variety of styles and sizes to find one that fits your space. Add a wind chime. Wind chimes are a great way to add a bit of music to your garden. You can choose from a variety of styles, such as bamboo, metal, or glass. Help the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Leave a comment.